Hi guys, today we are going to look at the bulk feature in our Smart IQ. Let's get started. When the customer list is really huge, it's tough to filter out the correct audience and send the right message at the right time. If you send messages separately on WhatsApp and email, it wastes time and you might miss following up. Tracking the correct response is also very difficult. If you're facing all these problems in your business that I just mentioned, there is a simple solution for everything. That is the bulk feature in Smart IQ. Let's see what's built into this bulk feature, how it works, and the steps to send bulk messages. This is the bulk feature of Smart IQ. The first step here is to create a campaign. While creating the campaign, you can give it any name that is convenient for you. Next, choose the channel. Right now, two channels are available: WhatsApp and email. You can select any one of these channels to send your message, or you can choose both and send your message through both channels. Now we have a lot of audience, I mean customers. If you want to filter and send messages only to particular customers, for example, if you have a 1 year old customer database, you can filter and send only to those from the last 2 months. You can filter based on such conditions, or you can filter based on the subscription end date, or you can filter based on the source, like did the customer come from WhatsApp, or if they have come through filling a form, we can filter them based on such conditions and attributes. You can also filter by date range. That is, from this date to that date, you can filter and pick all the customers who joined during that period. So, based on conditions and dates, we can filter and select. You can even add one or more conditions to filter your customers. So, this is what select audience means. Using smart filters, we are choosing our audience. Then, after we've chosen our WhatsApp or email channel, we'll create the message here. Once the message is created, we'll preview it, check if everything is correct, and then hit send. The message will be delivered to everyone we've targeted and sent it to. So, this is how we do it. We are using bulk features even in Smart Bulk Future Smart. Come, let's practically create a campaign, send our message, and see how it works. This is the Smart IQ dashboard. If you come to lead automation, the feature we have here is bulk. As soon as I click on bulk, a dashboard like this will open up for us. See? Now this is the bulk dashboard that has opened. What you see here is as soon as you come in, it'll show your campaign details. It'll display all the campaigns you have created so far. For example, I have created one called campaign 1. What type of message I have sent? I have sent it as a broadcast. So December 22nd. It shows the time as 5:32 along with the details. For the message type, I have chosen WhatsApp. I have also selected more. The status shows as sent and completed. Here it shows that the total audience I have sent to is only 2. So this is how it displays. If we want to delete something, we can do it here. For example, if we have scheduled something and we only want it to be sent at this particular time, we can schedule it in advance. So even if we can't be there at that particular time, the message will be sent automatically. This is an advanced feature available in bulk. Now let's see how to create a new one. I'll just click on create campaign. Both of these are coming soon options. So now I'm going to click on broadcast campaign. When I click next, all the steps I mentioned earlier are here, right? So now I'm going to create a campaign called campaign 2. Okay, for testing purposes, I'll name it testing. After that, in choose your channel, we can select just one or both channels. Let's select both for now and check. So after clicking next, here comes the important part. Who are we going to send the message to? Reaching the right customer at the right time is very important for any business. Now I can choose the test segment. I can send the message only to the customers who are in this test segment. Or you can see what attributes we have in the attribute section. There are tags, pipeline, group, everything is there. Right now I'm choosing this pipeline. In the pipeline, do you want to send it to those who are in this pipeline, or do you want to send it to everyone except those in this pipeline? You have to choose is or is not in the condition. So in the pipeline stage, you come here, then in value, you can choose any pipeline you want. Another benefit here is that you can even select a particular stage within that pipeline and send it. So now I have come here in Smart Q leads. I sent it only to those who are in the lead stage. After applying, we can check here by clicking apply to see how many customers are there. So we have 4 audiences. If we want, we can click the plus symbol and add another condition as well. Okay, so now in that condition, I have 4 audiences. It shows that. So I click next. When I click next, now for WhatsApp 2, Then for email, we need to choose the template, okay? Now I'll select this weekend training template that's already there, okay? Here, this is for WhatsApp. So if you want to create this, it'll be sent only by using the API. So you shouldn't go and create it in the normal WhatsApp. You know Vaba, right? Only in Vaba you have to create the template for this. So if you want to create a template for WhatsApp in bulk, where should we create it? You have to go to Vaba and create it under templates. So now we've come here. Next, the from name should be sent from sincere, right? You can either choose something that's already there or you can create a new one if you want. So I want to send this same message. That's why I'm just choosing this and pasting it here. Okay, so what is the subject of the email? Genesis Weekend Training. Origin has been given. Then, do you want to use reply to now? Now, it's a bit tricky for us. Now, if you want to send it by saying hi along with their name, you can add it like that, okay? Now, in this, I show you how. In customer use, I'll add the customer's name. Okay? I think it's the proper way. Okay, now we've set up everything. I'll move on to the next step. After clicking next, if you want, this message will be sent. You can choose a single number and test it out, like sending a test message to your own WhatsApp or to someone else. But this is optional. So now we don't need to test it. We can directly preview and send it. Now, if you want to schedule it, say I don't want to send it immediately. I want to send it after 2 days, but I won't be available then. You can schedule it for that date and time and it will be sent then. But since I'm going to test it right now, I'll just turn that off. I'm clicking to send now. Here our campaign name is displayed. It shows that there are 4 people in the audience. So now I just click send now and a pop-up message will appear asking, are you sure you want to send this campaign? If I confirm and click send now, the message will be sent successfully and you will see a success notification. Okay, now let's check and see if we've received it on WhatsApp. Let's wait and see. So as you can see, I've now received it on WhatsApp. This message has come through properly. If you want to check it, you should look in your email. Did you check your email? So now I've received it in my email as well. You see the Genesis weekend training recording has also come through. So this is working perfectly without any time delay and it's beautifully creating bulk messages for us. So if I just click on go to campaigns, we'll be redirected back to the main page. Here you can see the details like which date we need to create it, the type and broadcast. The message, WhatsApp, and email statuses have all been sent. It shows that there are 4 people in the audience. So, see how quickly this works? Compared to our manual process, this reduces almost 3/4 of the work. Instead of filtering each customer individually and sending messages separately on WhatsApp and email, which is such a big and time consuming task, and even then there's a chance we might miss someone, this feature overcomes all of that. This is the bulk feature. Okay. So now that this feature has come, I hope you've understood it. If you're also facing such problems in your business, go ahead and book a demo with Smart IQ right now. Send the right message to the right audience at the right time and smartly improve your business revenue. If you need more details, the contact information is in the description. If you contact us, our team will support you. So I'll meet you in the next video with another feature of Smart IQ. Thank you for watching.